This is a short video on the installation of FigTree on a Mac. The first thing you need to do is go to the FigTree GitHub release site. On that site you can download the file with the .dmg suffix, which is the Mac version. This file will then download and you can open it from the Downloads button in the top right-hand corner of the browser. This file contains the FigTree executable, which is a Java program, as well as a folder containing the libraries that it needs and some example tree files. If you double-click on the executable, it gives you a security warning. You need to click Open. It then asks about using Bash and you want to allow this as well. Finally, in this case, as Java is not installed, it tells you to visit java.com in order to install it. On java.com you have the usual cookies question. Then you can download Java and run the Java updater as before. You will then need to enter the password for your Mac to allow installation. There are security warnings to clear, but once I click the FigTree installation file and then the executable, it now opens a FigTree window. The issue now is that it hasn't copied the files onto the Mac from the installation. I went to the Downloads folder and opened the installation file from there. I copied the files from the window that opened. I then created a new folder called FigTree, and I pasted the files into the new directory. I then closed the installation files for Java and FigTree from the left-hand menu in Finder, where they have the upward pointing arrows, before deleting both installation files to clean up after myself.